Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's see what is in the bag. Okay, we got two cross-stitch kits. And these, oops, sorry for the crinkle. These two kits come from DiamondArtDecor. And if they have any specials, any discount codes, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. Now, both these kits are under $10. They're both $9.29. So let me get to the first one. And the first one is, I gotta see on my list here, 28 by 44, 14 count. Let me get it out of its Joy Sunday bag. And it is a partial. Get it out of the bag here. Comes in a lovely Joy Sunday bag that you just can't get it out. But isn't that beautiful? Look at that beautiful yellow rose. It's got kind of a peach tone around the edges. And yeah, I was looking at this background. It's not what the background shows on the canvas. If you can see that, it just shows it's a partial. So I'm not sure why it was printed like that. But I just thought this was beautiful. It's going to have some back stitch. Does have two sets of numbers. This set goes to the canvas and this set goes to the paper pattern. We have full stitch, half stitch, French knot, and back stitch. We have a total of 37 colors. So we got some 310 black, 939, which is a dark blue, using B5200 for the white. So very nice, beautiful, gorgeous pattern. So that back stitching is kind of nominal. I mean, it's like around the edges of, say, leaves and the flower. Let's see here. Let's take a look at the colors. It does come on a regular thread card with 2 needles. So it doesn't have all that information on it. There are 2 thread cards. So we have some browns, some white, some off-white, kind of a rustish orange. And let's go this way. Ooh, look at that orange. I don't know, it's kind of a yellow orange, you know, and this is kind of a burnt orange. But we have some lovely greens, some beautiful charcoaly gray here, but it's not that 3799, isn't that what that is? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors for those beautiful roses. Yeah, it's going to be stunning. All right, let's put that up there. And it's kind of oblong. I'll start at the top this way. It is, oh, here we go. 114 stitches wide by 200 high. But very nicely printed. Very easy to see. I'll just scroll up this way. It is serged all the way around. And you do have a nice big key along the bottom. Very easy to read the numbers, the symbols. So you have your back stitching here, your full cross here, and all the way down to here. And then these 4 are your half cross stitches and your 2 French knots. So shouldn't be too many French knots here. I'm just trying to see if I can see any, like maybe the centers of flowers are kind of scattered here and there, because I'm not seeing too many of them at all. But beautiful pattern. It is not very confettied at all. Just gorgeous. Very well printed. Now the second one is 38 by 38, and it was still $9.29. They have really good prices at Diamond Art Decor. And they have great choices, too. Whoop. Might help if I turn it over. All right. This is another, yes, another partial. You just do the vignette in the middle, or vignette, however you say that. But I just thought it was cute. You got chickens and a little girl and a little boy. They've been out picking berries and fishing and looking for worms. But I like the houses and all, just the way it's all set up. And I'd never seen this pattern before. Nice booklet. It is separated into 6 sections. It's 168 stitches by 168 stitches. Let's see if we got 2. Yeah. So this set of numbers goes to the canvas because it has all different symbols. And this one on the other side has just squares and your basics. That all goes to the paper pattern. But you don't have to do corner to corner on the stitching, just the center of it. So if you wanted to frame it in a hoop, you could. So we have 38 colors. We have full stitch, half stitch, French knot, and back stitch. Oh my goodness. And no 310 black, honest? Okay, or 939. Kind of strange. I'm not, oh, we're using a B5200 for your white. But very nicely printed, and the back stitching is kind of nominal, like on his pole, a little bit around his shirt, and then we go to the girl, it's a little in her hair, just kind of here, helter-skelter. So that's good, that there's not a whole bunch of back stitch, because, you know, I seem to pick them, don't I? Oh my goodness, look at these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Comes on 2 thread cards. This is the good thread card with the product number, how many strands you have, and the DMC number, and then the thread card number, and of course 2 needles. Let's take it apart a minute. Ooh, look at that cornflower blue. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Lots of greens. Don't have any. Oh, we do have some 666 red. And 817, which is a little darker than that, but no bright, vivid reds or brown. We got some browns, dark greens, kind of a wide variety. A few bluish, purplish color, but no definite purple. But gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Oh, yeah, I just absolutely love this. And let me get it all wound up here. And I'm not measuring today, I'm sorry. We're going to just take their word for it. Beautifully printed pattern. Now it looks a little blobby, but the back stitching will bring things out. But I'm not seeing a whole bunch of confetti until you get a look. It's not confetti, it's just like little rivers of color. So very nice. Very nice indeed. And well printed, very easy to see symbols. I've just absolutely loved this. Nice big, I can get a hold of it. Big key, easy to read numbers, so that won't be a problem. Sometimes they get to be so small that, you know, you're squinting, but it's nice that you have an extra set to look at on the paper pattern. So, and that it matches the canvas, you know, when you're looking for a certain thing. But very nice. Just very nice. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. What did I say? There was 33 total colors. So I couldn't remember. But very nice kits. Thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for these 2 gorgeous kits. I love them both. Diamond Art Decor has cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number, tools and crafts for all of that. They always have a wide selection, great prices, and right now they're having March sales. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.